How to delete chats and messages from Microsoft Teams. What is up everyone? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily remove or delete all of your chats on your Microsoft Team app. But before getting started, make sure to like the video below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you can do is open up your browser and search for Microsoft Teams, or you can just use the application. I'm going to go via web browser, so I'm just going to search for Microsoft Teams, and then you can just hit enter. Now you can tap on the first link to open up the Microsoft Teams and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now once the Microsoft Team is loaded, you want to just go ahead to the chat where you want to delete the message. So for example, if I want to delete this message, I'm just going to hover my mouse over it and see the three dots. Tap on this one and simply tap on delete. So as you can see, the other side will know that you've deleted a message, so it's completely not permanent. They will be notified that you have deleted something, but they won't know for sure why you've deleted unless they have seen the message previously. So for example, again, if you do the same thing, type in something and want to delete it, hover it over. Now tap on three lines and then tap on delete. Now your message has been deleted. And if you want to clear out an entire conversation, you can just tap on the three lines right besides the name and then tap on delete. Now confirm that you want to delete and you should be good to go. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you on the next video.